Welcome back. Let's claim your business and tune your profile for discovery. Step 3. On your My SBA Certifications dashboard, choose Claim Your Business. Enter the details tied to SAM, your UEI, your EIN or TIN, your legal business name, and your CAGE code if prompted. Click Find, verify your firm, then click Claim. Step 4, open Manage/Edit Business Profile and complete these upgrades in one sitting. Match company details to SAM. Add certifications. Choose one primary NAICS plus a few supporting codes that match the money you want. Add 8 to 12 buyer language keywords, problems, tools, and outcomes. Write a 3-sentence capabilities narrative. Problem, proof, promise. Add your capability statement link so buyers can grab it in one click. Now test your findability. Open a new tab and go to search.certifications.sba.gov. Search your primary keyword with your region. Filter by your NAICS and your set aside. If you're not on the first couple pages, tighten your keywords in the first line of your narrative, then retest. Common mistakes to avoid: expired SAM using the wrong identifiers, UEI, EIN, or TIN, or CAGE that doesn't match SAM, buzzword soup instead of buyer search terms, no capability statement link, inconsistent contact info across SAM, your website, and SBS. Be findable, not invisible. Keywords beat credentials when buyers are searching.